The supervising provider can be set up when adding the new authorization and service codes. I have my new authorization here. I can do the drop down and click New Service. And this is where I can add my supervising provider. I can choose the start and end date, or I can match the start and end date to the authorization period to have this person as the supervising provider for the entire authorization. This means that by default, when I'm creating an appointment for this client and for this service code, Julia Lopez will be the default supervising provider. For an existing authorization and services, I can also edit the supervising provider by clicking on the table of services. I can expand the arrow and then edit underneath. This will pull up the current information for this service code. I have the provider here, and I can just edit to change the supervising provider to someone else. I can also delete or add a new supervising provider. And then I can also edit the supervising provider per appointment. If I go to the scheduler and then click on an appointment where I want to edit the supervising provider, I can click Edit. This will bring me to the Edit Appointment screen, where I can change the supervising provider for just this appointment and save. So this makes the change for just the current appointment, but the supervising provider that is set up in the Client 360 authorization is the one that remains the default when creating new appointments for this client.